Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water softeners available on the market right now for their true quality and performance. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium choice, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the BD Faucet Bathtub Shower Water Filter. This product is perfect for those who want spa-like luxury at home. Its premium care filtration system removes contaminants, chlorine, and fluoride, leaving you with cleaner and softer water for healthier skin, hair, and nails. It's compatible with all types of tub faucets and works efficiently with both hot and cold water. Its filtered water can rejuvenate your skin while improving circulation and oxygen levels. In terms of design, it's simple yet functional, featuring a clean white finish that fits seamlessly into any bathroom decor. Installation is a breeze, requiring no additional tools, and it comes with 2 types of handles to fit different faucet designs. The filtration lasts about 3 months, making it a reliable choice for consistent water quality. The BD Faucet filter shines in performance, quickly delivering softened water without compromising flow rate. However, it's limited to bathtub use, making it less versatile compared to other options. Overall, it's a solid choice for those who prioritize luxurious baths and healthier skin at an affordable price point. Perfect for individuals suffering from dry skin or eczema. Pros: affordable, easy installation, great for baths. Cons: limited to bathtub use. Coming in at rank number 4 is the Philips Shower Filter AWP1775CH. This compact yet powerful filter features a 3-stage filtration system with double mesh and NSF-certified KDF material to reduce chlorine, impurities, rust, and sediments. It's designed to instantly provide softer and healthier water for your shower, which can help improve the condition of your hair, skin, and nails. The design is sleek and modern, with a chrome finish that blends effortlessly with most bathroom fixtures. Its anti-scald material makes it adaptable to both hot and cold water, while the large filtration capacity, up to 50,000 liters, ensures extended use for up to 6 months. Installation is quick and tool-free, making it ideal for anyone who values convenience. Performance-wise, it's effective at reducing chlorine odor and sediment buildup, but it doesn't reduce TDS levels. It's a great option for those looking to improve shower water quality without breaking the bank. However, it's less versatile than some competitors, as it's limited to handheld or rainfall showers. Pros: affordable, NSF certified, easy installation. Cons: not reduced TDS, limited compatibility. At rank number 3, we have the Aqua Bliss High Output Revitalizing Shower Filter SF100. This product takes shower filtration to the next level with its proprietary multi-stage system, including sediment filters, redox media, calcium sulfite, activated carbon, and ceramic beads. It's designed to reduce chlorine, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, dirt, odors, and scale buildup, while restoring minerals to improve hair, skin, and nails from day 1. The design is compact and user-friendly, with a chrome finish that fits all standard shower types, including fixed, rain, and handheld configurations. Installation is tool-free, making it perfect for DIY enthusiasts. With long-lasting filter replacements that cost less than 9 cents per day, it's a cost-effective solution for better shower water. Performance is exceptional, providing immediate improvements to skin and hair health while neutralizing odors effectively. However, it's primarily suited for showers, and its price is slightly higher compared to basic models. If you're battling hard water issues and want healthier-looking hair and skin, this is a great middle ground option. Pros: effective multi-stage filtration, easy installation, revitalizing benefits. Cons: slightly higher price, limited to showers. At rank number 2, we have the Feelso Showerhead and 15-stage shower filter combo, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Despite its low price, it delivers a high-quality shower experience by removing chlorine, heavy metals, and harmful substances from hard water. Its 15-stage filtration system ensures clean, purified water that's gentle on your skin and hair. The design features a 4-inch adjustable shower head with 5 spray modes, including rain, massage, mist, rain and mist, and rain and massage. The chrome finish adds a touch of elegance, while the ABS material ensures durability. Installation is simple and tool-free, making it accessible for all users. Plus, it comes with Teflon tape and detailed instructions for an easy setup. While the performance is solid for its price, the filtration capacity may not last as long as higher-end models. It's ideal for individuals or families looking for an affordable solution to improve water quality for showers. Pros: budget-friendly, adjustable spray modes, easy installation. Cons: limited durability, shorter filtration lifespan. And finally, taking the top spot at rank number 1, we have the Vevor RV Water Softener. This premium product is a portable powerhouse designed for RVs, trailers, boats, and mobile applications. With an impressive 16,000 grain absorption capacity, it reduces hardness levels to 0 to 3 grains per gallon, ensuring clean, soft water wherever you go. It's crafted from NSF-certified food-grade resin, making it safe and eco-friendly, and can last up to 5 years with occasional salt regeneration. The design is robust, featuring a durable glass fiber shell and NFS polyethylene tank to withstand high water pressure, up to 150 psi. It includes brass fittings and a 42-inch hose for quick and hassle-free installation. The ergonomic handle makes transport easy, while its tool-free setup ensures convenience for on-the-go users. Performance is unmatched, delivering consistent results for softening hard water in various scenarios. While it's the most expensive option on the list, its durability, portability, and capacity make it worth the investment for those who need a reliable solution for RV or outdoor use. Pros: high capacity, portable, durable build. Cons: higher price point, bulky for home use. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best water softener for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.